goodness, fall allergies have definitely you have definitely started here. Oh, my nose has been excuse me, so tickly lately. Oh my god, I just always keep oh my god, excuse me. Just keep feeling like I have to sneeze. Oh my god, it's just constant tickling. Look. Oh, excuse me, in the back of my nose. No matter how much I sneeze or how much I rub my excuse me, rub my nose. Oh my god, excuse me. Wow, how much I sneeze or rub my nose, I just can't stop. Excuse me, sneeze. Sneezing. Oh my goodness. I need to blow my nose. Oh my god, excuse me. I just needed to blow my nose. Oh my god, excuse me. Wow. Oh wow. I don't think I'm quite excuse me, quite done yet. Oh my god. Another sneeze. Oh my god, so itchy and tickly, excuse me. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh, excuse me.